Happy Wednesday, class. I hope everyone is doing good today. Today we are starting the last week of our Unit 6 text, the one that you have at home, and we're going to be focusing on the story of Hercules' quest. So as we get started here, please open up your books to pages 22 and 23. Once you have pages 22 and 23 open, remember every good reader previews a text before we start to read it. So take a moment, pause this video, and I want you to think about what you see in your text. What do you notice about this text? And what type of story do you think this will be? So go ahead and take a moment, pause the video, and let's go ahead and preview this text, just like we would in class. All right, I hope that some of you have noticed a few things. I hope that you noticed the illustrations. You can see there's this big, giant, this fantastic character holding up the sky, and then also a man who's able to hold up the sky as well. Okay. I hope you noticed that this is a myth. Can you say the word myth? We've talked about myths before, but I want you guys to remember that a myth, such as this one, often contains these types of characters. Okay, these almost supernatural beings. So today, as you are reading pages 22 to 25, we want to focus on a few things. We want to focus on identifying key events in our text and then using those key events to write a summary. Remember, when we summarize, it's shorter than the text. We don't go through and highlight and underline everything. Most importantly, we put it in our own words. Remember, it's like you are repeating back what you've read to someone else, making sure that you only point out the main ideas, the key events. Okay, let's get started.